Connecting your business systems, plant, and factory floor devices to SymphonyAI's Mom360 solution and its digital manufacturing platform would be as easy as connecting your smartphone to a charger. A flexible plug-and-play IIoT gateway that facilitates device and systems integration for data acquisition, process and device control, AI, and data analytics, among multiple application possibilities. Our IIoT Gateway will let you focus on your business operations and digital transformation initiatives by vastly reducing the complexity of connecting to data sources, such as PLCs, sensors, and ERP systems. It's also fully integrated into our Mom360 offering. A common use case in manufacturing processes is to have the ability to transfer a production schedule to multiple production lines. Each production line may use different technologies for communication, like OPC UA, Modbus, MQTT, or HTTP, and each technology may have different data structures. Our IIoT Gateway offers the flexibility to seamlessly switch between technologies on the fly without affecting your application or manufacturing execution. For example, there is one production line for making cookies. This production line uses OPC UA for equipment communication. As part of the production execution process, first you review the schedule and select the next order ready for production. Next, on Check Production Details step, while reviewing quantities, special instructions, and ingredients, you can select which production line to use. We will continue with production line 1 in this example. Automatically, behind the scenes, the IIoT Gateway will determine which technology to use for sending production order details, transform the data to the expected structure required for that technology, and send the data to the equipment. Continuing with this example, let's say the cookie company has upgraded its production line with a new equipment based on MQTT technology. Once your production line is all set up with the new equipment, all you need to do is let the IIoT Gateway know that we've swapped OPC UA for MQTT. Our IIoT Gateway will take care of the rest, using powerful AI to map the data flowing from the device to the corresponding destinations. For the next production order in the schedule, when selecting production line 1 at the Check Production Details screen, the system will automatically use the new communication protocol, MQTT, for transferring production order details. With the IIoT Gateway, the users don't need to worry about maintaining complex device connectivity and data integration layers. Migrating equipment between technologies and data structures will not impact SymphonyAI's applications like Mom360, which reduces or eliminates downtime caused by equipment failures or end of life.